Every streaming platform requires a minimum internet connection speed for functioning properly. Corrupted cached data can stop the YouTube TV app from functioning properly. YouTube TV can stop working due to a bug. Outdated YouTube TV app, or TV or device firmware, can create issues. If your TV or device memory is full, then the YouTube TV app can become slow, laggy, or start crashing. During an outage, you won't be able to load or stream content on the YouTube TV app. To check for a YouTube TV outage, you can visit the Down Detector. Here you can check if there's a YouTube TV outage or not. If YouTube TV is down, then you won't be able to use the app. You need to wait for some time. Once the issue is resolved, you can stream content on the YouTube TV app. Close the YouTube TV app. Now turn off your smart TV. Press the physical button on your smart TV. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Now turn on your smart TV. .0 megabits per second, the minimum required speed. Below this, you may experience excessive buffering. 7.0 megabits per second, the minimum for one high-definition video stream. If other devices are using the network, YouTube TV may not work. 13.0 megabits per second, the minimum for streaming high-definition video, when other people use the same internet connection for other purposes. Mobile device. Close the app, reopen the app and check if the YouTube TV app is loading properly or not. TV, press the back button on your TV remote to exit the YouTube TV app. Now open YouTube TV and check if the app is loading or not. Go to Settings. Now go to the application. Locate and select the YouTube TV app. Now clear its cache and the data. Go to Settings. Locate the location settings. Now enable it. Open your device settings. Now open the Applications option. Locate the YouTube TV app. Now uninstall the YouTube TV app from your device. Now install the latest version of the YouTube TV app. Uninstall the YouTube TV app. Reinstall it. On your mobile device, open the YouTube TV app. Now cast the YouTube TV to your TV. Now this will launch YouTube TV on your NVIDIA Shield. Force login to your account. Close the app on your mobile. Launch the YouTube TV app on your NVIDIA Shield. Go to Settings and select Support. Select Device Care. Now open Self-Diagnosis. Select Reset Smart Hub. Go to Settings. Now select the General option. Now open the Reset option.
Button on the
Fire Stick
remote.
Press the back
Hold them
and right
down
directional
and
button
stick is powering off.
simultaneously for 10 to
Then you
15
can release.
seconds.
If not,
This will
let's now
reset
show
your
you how
Fire
to
Stick
do the
to
factory
factory
reset.
settings. Open Roku settings and select the system. Go to Advanced System Settings. Now select Factory Reset. Factory reset everything.